Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cupcakes in Toca Boca Sugar Pink Parlor using an easy method. To begin your baking adventure, simply open the Toca Boca Sugar Pink Parlor app on your device. Once inside, make your way to the vibrant kitchen area where you will find all the necessary baking tools and a wide array of ingredients. Your first step is to select the empty cupcake pan, which is essential for holding your sweet creations. This sets the stage for a fun and simple baking experience. Now it's time to mix your ingredients for the perfect cupcake batter. Carefully drag and drop the flour, sugar, and eggs into the large mixing bowl. Don't forget to add a generous splash of milk and a dash of vanilla extract to give your cupcakes that wonderful aroma and taste. Once all the ingredients are in, grab the mixer and blend everything together until you achieve a smooth, consistent batter. This step is crucial for light and fluffy cupcakes, so take your time to ensure it's perfectly blended. With your batter ready, it's time for the baking and decorating fun. Carefully pour the smooth batter into each of the 12 sections of your cupcake pan, filling them about 2/3 full. Then, place the pan into the oven and set the timer for a short bake until they are golden brown. Once baked, remove your delicious cupcakes. Now for the best part, decorating. Select from a delightful assortment of colorful frostings, sprinkles, and candies to make each cupcake uniquely yours. Get creative with your designs. Finally, it's time to serve your sweet creations. Arrange your beautifully decorated cupcakes on a fancy serving platter, ready for presentation. Now, you can offer your delightful treats to the various Toca Boca characters wandering around the Sugar Pink Parlor. Watch their happy reactions and expressions of joy as they savor your homemade cupcakes. Remember, you can always experiment with different frosting colors, sprinkle combinations, and even new flavors to create endless varieties of delicious cupcakes for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.